Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com, and as you can see, I'm at the RedBull Gaming Sphere here in London. So what I'm actually going to do is just give you a quick rundown and a walk around of exactly what this is about, essentially. So it is sort of downstairs in a building, quite understated from the outside, but when you're actually in here, it looks absolutely amazing. You can see that they've got sort of various different sections. So the first one, they've got two racing sort of simulators set up. You can obviously compete, get your name onto the leaderboard, and while that's all going on, you can actually sit down over on these seats here and here, and they will be sort of streaming it over to these TVs. There is some consoles in here as well for those who aren't a part of the PC master race, as it were. So overall, this section is going to be perfect, for spectator sport, that kind of thing. You can stand around, watch people playing games, and there you go. Looking at the specs, you guys may remember these systems because I actually built one on the channel. Exactly the same spec as this one, which is currently touring around the country in the ROG bus. But this is another one that's built, and these are actually just kind of situated on the back of the racing simulators. So we've got that going on. Over here, we've got plenty of systems. So these are all kitted out with Thermaltake and ASUS, as well as a few other brands, so AData and Intel as well. So essentially what we've got is all of the same monitors, ASUS monitors with their latest keyboards, mice. I believe there are some headsets on here as well, and then underneath, this is quite cool, the systems are actually well, this one's not, but that one is actually bolted in, so yeah, it can't really go anywhere. All lit up, all looking nice, and RGB, of course. As we go round, Noble chairs are obviously involved as well, so I forget this model, but I know it's one of the sort of latest and greatest ones. As we go around here, we've got plenty more systems. So again, you can see them all kind of suspended on these brackets underneath, all lit up nicely, and obviously ASUS hardware up top as well. So it's just, absolutely crazy the amount of systems in here. There's a massive screen up here as well. So essentially, while everyone's playing on these games over here, on these systems over here, people are going to be able to, again, sit down, spectate, and see what it's all sort of about. And there you go, I also get given a can of Red Bull. So that's what it's all about, right? And just to turn it back around again, I just think this is kind of the start of something really, really cool in terms of getting gaming and esports and things like that really sort of, out there to the mass market. And this is just going to be a great thing for, imagine, you're a kid again and you can come down to this place, chill out with your friends, have Red Bull, play games, and just generally have a good time. Again, there's more systems over here as well if we have a quick walk over. And again, these are all Thermaltake, ASUS, AData. And there is a little product showcase from Newegg over here as well. And then over here is going to be your kind of lounging area. Again, you can sit here and be a spectator looking at the screens and seeing exactly what's going on. So yeah, like I said, guys, I think this is going to be a great opportunity to really get gaming out there. Let me know what you think about this in the comments section below. And until next time, I'm going to sit here and have my can of Red Bull. Cheers, guys. See you later. Bye.